beesha caalamku waxay noo cadeeyeen maanta inay diyaar u yihiin inay Puntland ku taageeraan horumarkeeda inay Puntland ku tixgeliyaan waxa iyadu ay qorshaysatay in iyada lagu taageero aysan noqon wax iyada loo yeeriyo inay qabsato.
Today's discussions were excellent, they were constructive, they were frank. We had a very open exchange of views. It was an opportunity for the President and the Puntland government to present their immediate priorities over the coming 2 years, to underscore how they would be embedded in the New Deal, overall New Deal compact.